Completion packages can be installed to accommodate most current combine models. This includes the electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic hookups. Here we have the hydraulic center link along with the header tilt indicator. The hydraulic center link adjusts the header angle relative to the ground. When the header tilt indicator is at A, we have the flattest knife guard tip position relative to the ground. When set to D, we have the steepest guard tip position. Next, we have our automatic header height control ground pressure indicator. 0 indicates no ground pressure, such as when the header is off the ground. 4 indicates maximum ground pressure. The feeder house is completely lowered and the float module is fully separated from the header. Position 2 is the normal set point for on-the-ground cutting in crops such as peas, soybeans, and lentils. 2 represents half of the travel between 0 and 4. This allows for instantaneous mechanical movements of the header both up and down when traveling through the field. The header is equipped with adjustable skid shoes. The skid shoes have 3 height positions to choose from depending on ground conditions and desired stubble height. The combine hydraulics drive and rotate the reel. They raise and lower as well as move the reel fore and aft. The electrical connects the lights, auto header height control, reel height sensor, and header recognition. There is a selector valve on the float module. When energized by a switch in the combine cab, along with the reel fore aft button on the combine ground speed lever, allows the operator to switch between reel fore aft and header tilt operation. A Pto shaft connected to the combine provides power to the gear case to drive the pumps for hydraulic knife and draper systems. This is an oil bath chain and gear case that uses 85W140 gear oil with a capacity of 2.5 liters or 2.6 quarts. Grease the driveline and universals at 50-hour intervals, and the plastic zerks on the driveline guards every 100 hours. The oil level is checked with the cutter bar on the ground. Remove the plug on the side of the gear case. Oil should be to the bottom of the hole. Change the oil after the first 50 hours, then every 3 years or 1,000 hours thereafter. It is a gear-to-gear connection from the input drive to the hydraulic pump stack. An endless chain in the gear case drives the feed auger. A slip clutch on the cross shaft provides feed auger protection. Check the gearbox drive chain tension at 50 hours, then every 500 hours or annually. To tension the chain, tighten the bolt to 6.8 Newton meters, or 60 inch-pounds. Refer to the chart in the operator's manual. For most combines, back off the bolt 1 turn. For John Deere models, back off 2.5 turns. A properly tensioned chain has 10 to 14 millimeters, or 3/8 to 9/16 of an inch deflection at the midpoint. Reinstall the gaskets and the cover. Torque to 9.5 Newton meters, or 84 inch-pounds. Be careful not to over-torque.